That'll do. What's up guys, how's it going? Obviously, as you can tell in the title, I've got myself a new car. First of all, I want to apologise for the sound quality in here. You join me in our unit, which obviously has really bad acoustics, so it echoes a lot because it's, you know, concrete and metal and wood and stuff like that, nothing really soft. So excuse me for that at the moment. So yeah. You may remember recently, if you've been watching my videos, I recently bought a Honda Accord. I have now, last night, swapped that for a different car. Now, if you do follow me on Instagram or have me on Facebook, you probably know what car it is already. But I thought I'd do like a reveal video. Not even worth really revealing. Actually, no, it is because it's a bit of a weapon. So, yeah, let's get into it. What? What's that? Another E36? Yes. Yes, I have. Now, this one's a little bit different because it is a compact. It is a 1.8 4-cylinder twin cam, so it's the M44. And it's an auto. Yeah, excuse me one second, what we do, yeah, let's roll this out and have a bit of a better look, shall we? So yeah, as you can see, auto, steering wheel, compact. Yeah, let's have a pop under the hood. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. It's quite dusty. Overall, the car's pretty clean, but it has got a few issues and things like that on it, which is one of the reasons why I was quite happy to get it, and why it's probably going to become quite a bit of a feature. No, not a feature. It's probably going to be used quite a bit on my channel now. So yeah, let's sort of run through why. So obviously, I did have plans for that Accord. I wanted to do a real drive conversion on it, but realistically looking at it, it wasn't something that wasn't achievable. It was just something that I didn't really have the money and time and quite frankly the enthusiasm for. So it would have been a pretty cool car. However, I had then got offered this for swaps for that Honda, and I couldn't resist it, quite frankly. I needed another car for when it comes around in winter, so I can take the red coupe off the road and do a lot more work to that, because I've got quite a few plans for that still, or more on the modifying side. So obviously, I like BMWs. E36s are literally one of my favourite cars. I could have them forever, no issues. The problem with my red one is that I've done so much to it that there's not really a lot left to do in regards to like the sort of content I want to be making at this time. So what it will be is I won't be doing like loads of crazy stuff, mad stuff to this, I don't think, but it'll be a good car to use on my videos. Basically, what I'll do is the red coupe will be more for sort of like the more crazier stuff, I want to say, like the more in-depth, more modifying kind of thing. Whereas this is going to be a lot of maintenance videos involved with this one, because there's a lot of stuff sort of wrong with it. For instance, this. Not the first time I've had this issue, so I know what the problem is, I know how to fix it, and it'd be quite nice to be able to make a video for you guys, because I had a red saloon and a black saloon that both done the same thing. Yeah, there's a few other issues around the car with it, which will be nice. For instance, like the passenger window electric motor doesn't work, either the motor or the switch, but I'll be doing a video on how to sort of diagnose the problem with that. But yeah, those videos will be uploaded when and how. Probably the next video after this involving this one especially will be a detailing video. So I'll be doing over this next week, hopefully this week. I'll be doing a video with the two other guys down here, Ryan and Cam, from Three Guys Detailing. That's us, so please do check us out. I'll leave a link in the description below. We're based in Robertsbridge in East Sussex, and we do a pretty good job, as you'll see hopefully in the videos. We'll be doing quite a bit of a strip down on this one. Yeah.